Hey guys, so LA Colors Tropical Bloom Collection. I did a dedicated video showing you all the pieces in the collection, and I did my makeup with that collection in that first video. And then in the second video, I created another look, and today is the third and final video that I'm doing showcasing this collection. It is a beautiful collection. If you haven't seen it yet, it's because it's brand new at Dollar Tree. So far I have used my Hard Candy Glosstopia Lip Repair Oil in Crystal Clarity. Then I used my e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. Then I used my Lottie London Bright Bounce Corrector in Light. Then I used Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and I mixed the shades 00B and 00BB. And then I applied e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. Set everything with e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in Light Pink. Contoured and bronzed my face with e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in Tan Lines. And did my brows with my Profusion brow palette that I got in the holiday collection in 2023. So let's take it from there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the last and final blush in the collection, and this is called Sunup. And what is different about this as opposed to the other blushes in the collection is this has a very strong shimmer to it. So we're not going to need a highlighter because it's a blush lighter. So I'm going to use my Essence blush brush. And it's a coral, I would say. So yeah, I'm not going to need highlighter with this. It's got plenty of shimmer on its own. Pretty. So this collection has a definite vacation vibe to it. All the names of the products are very, like summertime themed. Summertime, vacation time. Okay, good. Now we are going into the last and final eyeshadow palette. And I would say this is the most neutral and wearable of all of them. It is called Away We Go. And you have a shimmery gold, you have a shimmery peach, and then you have a matte mauve, and then you have a brown that has a minimal amount of shimmer in it. It's not as shimmery as the two up here. So I am going to start with the matte mauve, and I'm going to grab a crease brush from a Moda collection that I bought. I really like these Moda brushes, and I get them at Walmart. All right, so we're going into the mauve, and whoa, I almost messed everything up. Okay, before we do that, I want to put down a colored base in certain areas. My Colourpop shadow stick in Bear With Me. Whoa, that would have been bad because I already have all my base makeup on. And if I had just gone in and realized my mistake, there wouldn't be any way to go back and fix it without redoing all my makeup. Okay, so we're going to go in the crease and outer lid area with this. And I'm just going to blend this out with my finger. I really like doing this with my shadow sticks, and then I let the color kind of peek out from whatever I do with the eyeshadows. I just really like the way that looks. And it seems like the shadows go over this really nice too. And then I have on foundation. When I do my foundation, I just take whatever's left over on the brush and go right in my eye area. So I'm not using a dedicated eyeshadow primer today. Sometimes I do that, but rarely. Okay. Just going to put a little more because it looks like I put more on the other eye. Okay, good. All right, now we can go into the eyeshadow palette, and I've already put the mauve shade on my brush, so we're going to go deep into the crease here so that we allow, like I said, the other color to kind of peek out. And I'm going a little bit in the outer part of my lid. Okay, now I am gonna go in with my AOA Studio E131 brush, and this is it's got blue staining on it, so I'm gonna set that aside and rewash that. I did wash it yesterday, but I used that in yesterday's video and obviously didn't clean it well enough, so just going to grab a different crease brush, and this is a Colourpop shader brush. I don't think they make, does Colourpop still make makeup brushes? Because if they do, they don't make this one, I don't think. I think I looked for this on the website one day and I didn't see it. But anyway, we're going to go in with that shimmery peach shade and pick some of that up and put that on my lid. So I think this is going to be the palette that most people are going to gravitate towards, and it definitely screams summertime when you look at it. The only thing that's throwing me is that mauve, because I wouldn't necessarily think that that would go with those other colors. But you never know. We're going to try it out. Okay, so the peach is on. Now we're going to go in with a clean small brush, and we're going to go into that gold. And believe it or not, it looks pretty dark from my skin tone, but I think it will work, believe it or not, as a highlighter and inner corner. See, so not too dark after all. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the brown. Actually, before I do that, let me grab a small detail brush and go into the brown. Whoa, that's really pigmented. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that along the lower lash line. Well, I'm glad I did this first so that I would know that it was pigmented. Okay, now we're going to go in with a new clean brush and we're going to pick up some of that brown. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Okay, so we're going in the outside part of this look, in the outer part of the lid, and the outer part of the crease. Wow, yeah, that is really pigmented. And you know, you wouldn't expect something that cost $1.25 for a palette to have that kind of pigmentation, but LA Colors is really killing it lately with their quality. They are certainly not lacking in quality. That's why I get a kick out of people that say, oh, I would never buy makeup at Dollar Tree. Well, why not? There's some great stuff there. Don't be a makeup snob. Yeah, don't turn your nose up at great makeup because you're missing out. Oh well, their loss, right? I like makeup at all price points, but the more time that goes by, the more I realize that it's kind of a waste to buy expensive makeup. You know, maybe as a special occasion, like it's your birthday, it's Christmas or something, treat yourself to an item that's expensive if you are a makeup fan. But as a steady diet, no, it's a waste of money. I mean, who has money for strictly high-end makeup anyway? I mean, Christ, the price of everything is so expensive now. Every time you turn around, the things are going up, and it's crazy. I know one of you just said to me the other day about groceries because I posted that picture of the Aldi hat that I got when I went grocery shopping the other day on Instagram. And yeah, groceries are up there. I can't believe what we spend on food, and we don't even buy a lot of the things that a lot of people buy. Like we don't buy meat, and we're not we're not vegetarians, but we just don't eat. We don't eat beef. We don't eat pork. We do eat eggs, and we don't eat poultry other than the eggs. I do eat fish, though. Mainly when it comes to animal protein, we eat eggs and fish, and that's about it. The rest of my meals are all by combining specific food groups to form a complete protein. Okay, so I'm going to shut off the camera. I'm going to finish the other eye, and I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply my LA Colors Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. They're the one in the pink tube from Dollar Tree. And come right back and we'll do the lips. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to line my lips with my Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in Brandy Wine. And I think this liner, will be perfect for the lipstick. This is maybe the most classic lip liner of all time. It's such a great color. All right, that's good. So here is the last lipstick in the collection. It is called Caribbean Crush, and it's sort of a plummy dark nude. Or do we just want to call this a plum? Yeah, I see this as a very brown plum. And I think this goes perfect with this eye look. So I am digging this. I really like these particular products. Boy, talk about a complete 360 from yesterday's look, huh? All right, what's left? Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray. So this is just going to take down any powderiness that we have from any powder products that we applied. Grab my fan. Yeah, I like this, guys. I really like this. This is more what I've been feeling lately, is more like neutral looks. Neutral looks with some shimmer to keep it interesting. All right, so that is my last and final look that I'm doing with the brand new LA Colors Tropical Bloom collection from Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, you know what to do. It helps my channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.